Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for unemployment in Michigan. So first in your browser, head over and search up apply for unemployment in Michigan. Then here you should see a link from Michigan Legal Help. All you have to do is click on this link and here you will be redirected to this page that provides the information that you need throughout your application. So, of course, when you apply for unemployment, first you need to gather documents and requirements, and that includes the following. First is, of course, you have to have your social security number. Then, next is a mailing address, including zip code and county. You also need your driver's license or state ID number. Of course, you also need names and addresses of all your employers during the past 18 months. You will also be required to have the dates of employment and wages paid by each employer during the past 18 months. Now, this requirement is for those registered as non US citizen or doesn't have permanent residence. You will be required with your alien registration number and the expiration date of your work authorization. And lastly, you might be required as well with your personal identification number from any past unemployment claims. Now, here you can also see steps and guideline on how to apply. So as you can see here, UIA encourages you to apply online, but you can also apply by phone or in person. Just choose which is the easiest or most convenient for you. Now here you have an option to apply online. It usually takes about 45 minutes to apply online, and you can file online if all this four applies to you. And now to start applying online, just follow this Michigan Web Account Manager link. And here to get started, you have to first log in to MiWAM account for claimants. Just click on the sign in button, log in with your login credentials such as your user ID or email and password. Then once logged in, you can start your application online. You might be asked a series of questions. Just provide the details correctly and accurately. Now here, if you're having issues applying online or if you need assistance, you can call this hotline. And once the application is done, you have to wait for UIA's decision if you are eligible and if you qualify for benefits. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!